Here's a view in the rearview mirror. Hopefully you guys can see that. That is all the cars lined up, all following, heading down to IKEA. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Friday night, cars and coffee, but we're already being kicked out. So we got to go find a new location because the security guards do not want us up in this parkade. And it's unfortunate because the turnout is absolutely incredible. If you look behind me, and they're all rolling in still. Jen, YYC BMW, got a new car. New 4 Series. Pretty nice, I must say. We are rolling out. Heading over to IKEA down the street. Hopefully we don't get kicked out of there. Here's a view in the rearview mirror. Hopefully you guys can see that. That is all the cars lined up, all following, heading down to IKEA. Got a whole crew rolling in now. I just love this R8. So clean. Actually, I'm a fan of that Skyline as well. And we got Mr. Jason himself. You guys will probably remember the MR2 from the cruise. Chris. Oh, sure you guys remember this M4. What an incredible turnout. For the second meet, I would say it's pretty freaking awesome. We got Sean, you guys will know, go Steve and Lee. We got Carly and Jay. The bagged Tiguan. So nice. Kyle rolled in. All right.
With a dirty car.
I'm sure there was a car wash on the way here. Although I can't really talk because mine isn't very clean either. Hey, M3 brother, looking sick. Those wheels, I love those wheels. They are gorgeous. That lip, super nice. Not gonna lie, here's the dream car. The next dream car. Lamborghini LP610-4. What an absolutely gorgeous machine. The body lines are just absolutely incredible. Got some forged carbon back here. And you guys will probably remember this Audi from the cruise and the Royal Rally. Super active in the community. Both absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous cars. What a lineup of cars. We've not seen Steve's new wheels up and close in person. What do you guys think? Those are pretty freaking sweet. M4, gorgeous as always. Okay, second spot we're being kicked out of again. The IKEA people, they're kicking us out, and they said they're gonna call the cops if we don't get out of here. So spot number 3, here we come. Okay, spot number 3. Let's see if we can collect any more cars now that we're at spot number 3. Every time I get to a new spot, more cars end up showing up. There's Ozzy, Chris, Jen in her new 4 Series. Good, how are you? Good. We've kind of invaded truck meet. Rocking out. There's a bit of a truck meet going on that we've kind of invaded. Hopefully we don't get them tossed out as well. There's that sick M3 again. Yeah, they seem to just keep coming. What a crazy, crazy turnout. Sure glad I brought the vlog and was able to bring you guys along. Oh, he's got that super nice interior. Carbon. What a gorgeous, gorgeous machine. What do you guys think? Think we should do a carbon lip like that as well? I don't know. I haven't made a decision if I want to do a spoiler or a big wing spoiler. It's a pretty nice diffuser. But drop a comment, let me know. Should we keep the factory spoiler or get a nice lip carbon or big wing? Drop a comment, let me know below. And yes, we end up here again. Friday night, regular plan. What's a car meet without ice cream? Back at Village, as you can see, you guys can see, this is a very popular ice cream place. We're gonna go in, get some more ice cream, and there's a whole clan of us now that have all decided to come for ice cream. It's gonna turn into the Friday night routine plan. It's kind of exciting, a lot of fun. All right, what are we gonna have today? Northern berry, melted chocolate, coffee, 2 Hills, maple pecan, salted caramel, strawberry. I think we're gonna go for melted chocolate and maple chocolate and Guide's Mint.
A single scoop.
One of them, Guide's Mint and one.
So good. Thank you. So delicious. Look at this lineup. And to think Village won't let us rent out the front parking stalls to bring these kind of cars to be parked out in front of Village. I don't know. I would say they should let us do it, even like on a Wednesday night. We'd come down here for an hour or so, just have our cars all parked here, you know, have a bit of a showing and have some good ice cream. Nonetheless, we would still come down for the ice cream. Check out the color of this GT3 RS. There's a color that I've never seen before, and proudly Canadian. You get the rest of the boys showed up. Here's basically the squad. Pretty good turnout. Every week it grows bigger and bigger. There we have it. Another fun night of shenanigans. It's late and we're gonna get to bed. Girls all went inside already. Once again, love driving this thing. It's just incredible machine. Everyone that asked me today, it's still absolutely surreal that that is sitting in my garage. But on that note, hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Just a lot of fun and shenanigans. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace.
Got me down again.